Hi everyone! In this video, we will multiply complex numbers. Multiply the complex number -3 plus 2i times the complex number -4 plus I. To multiply the real and imaginary parts of complex numbers, we'll have to use the mnemonic of FOIL, making sure that everything is multiplied to everything. Our real part is multiplied to the real part in the first. Our real part multiplied to the imaginary part in the outside. Our imaginary part times the real part of the second one on the inside, and the last will be the imaginary part times the imaginary part. Let's go ahead and start with first. -3 times -4 is a positive 12. Outside, -3 times I gives us a -3i. The inside of positive 2i times -4 gives us a -8i. And the last will be positive 2 times positive 1, so positive 2, and I times I, which is I squared. Now we can simplify this. Combining our like terms of the middle, we have -3i minus 8i, which makes -11i. So we have a -11i, and we still have the 12 out front. At the end, we have 2 times I squared. I, as definition, is the square root of -1. So I squared is the square root of -1 squared, making this I squared is just -1. So we have a positive 2 times a -1 at the end. A positive 2 times a -1 is a -2. So we can combine those terms now that are similar. This becomes -2. So we have positive 12 minus 2 minus 11i. Positive 12 minus 2 is 10. So we have 10 minus 11i. And we have our new complex number after we multiplied these two complex numbers together, and we're all done.